This power supply arrived at ERD for a full rebuild and repair from one of the largest semiconductor facilities in the US. It is out of a Lam tool used in the manufacturing of semiconductor products. We fully rebuilt this power supply, and it was load tested and shown in the video using our Agilent 6050A dynamic DC load tester. At ERD, we have many types of loads for any type of power supply we work on. From AC to DC supplies, we can effectively test loads from microamps all the way up to thousands of amps safely. ERD's testing process is a major priority, seeing as it is essential to making sure customers' units are fully repaired and ready for use the instant they are returned.